going on, guys? Chad here. Just want to give a quick update. Digging this pit here with sand, using the sand to pack out the tires. We're using 2 parts sand to 1 part mud, mixing it with some hay to basically get these tires to level. So all these voids are going to be filled and the tires are going to be covered. And we'll do 1 more coat of cement. This is the start of the planter. It's got to be quite a bit deeper than this. We're only at like 1.5 feet there. It's got to be about 3 or 4 feet. Gonna put a pond here, hopefully, if everything works out, with some tilapia, and then a deck that overlooks the pond. And then this is gonna be the planter where all the shower and sink water go, and it's gonna run across all the way across here and feed the plants. And there's also going to be a planter on this side as well. So there's 2 big, huge planters. And then we're packing these tires out. I can show you quick of the mud. You can kind of see the hay and the mud. We're digging a pit right here to pack these tires, mixing it in this cement mixer. And these tires will be disappearing soon. And then, of course, they're plastered over with cement once we get to the final level. Got the cooling tubes going. I can definitely feel that coming through. You know, it's 62 in here. It's pulling a lot of fresh air through. We only got 2 open, so we got 7 total that we have to open. So yeah, we're plugging away, packing out these tires. A lot of work went into these. Packing these tires is kind of sad that they're disappearing. You know, it's just it's a lot of work for all of us and anyone who has helped. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for helping, especially Carly, my wife, Darian, and Cody. And it's been a crazy ride packing these tires. It's crazy that we even got this all done. They're like 300 pounds each, 400,000 pounds of dirt, hand moved and packed and pounded in. We figure it's about 60 truckloads that we hand moved roughly and then packed in each tire with a sledgehammer. Crazy. Kevin helped us tremendously getting us all the dirt. Just forever grateful for these people, and anyone that's helped out along the way. I'll be thanking a lot of people as time goes. Anyways, thanks for watching.